let's make this creative text effect in Canva. So we'll make the banner. So let's take a page, brand new page in Canva, and I'll upload the photo of Zoran Mamdani and place it to the whole canvas and get it at the background. And I had given a background for this image, and which is this blue, violet blue. So to do this text effect, I need some help from an app which is type lettering. So this is the app, and you can search from the apps gallery of Canva. And I have on this stick to my panel, and let's type this out, Zofran, and in the second line, mom done. So fine, and for the font I will go for mover some things, see energy and mover, go back. And for the color I will first of all fix the spacing between the lines, make them a bit spacer, right? Fine now. And now choose the color. For the this is the background color, it will be that blue color. And for this one, let's choose this one. And for the shadow, let's go for salmon color. You can tweak this color to something like this one. Now add to design, and I need to stretch it as much as possible, so zoom out a bit and make it larger so that we can place it like that. Here you go.